Hey guys! As you saw from today's title, in this video we'll be looking at a 3.1.3 channel soundbar. Sit back and enjoy the video. The LG S80QY is a mid-range soundbar that offers a unique feature, an up-firing center speaker that enhances the clarity and positioning of dialogue and vocals. This soundbar also supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, two immersive audio formats that create a 3D soundstage with overhead effects. The S80QY comes with a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep and punchy bass, and it has a variety of connectivity options, including HDMI eARC, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth. It also has a room calibration feature that adjusts the sound according to your room's acoustics, and it works with WOWCAST technology and TV sound mode share with compatible LG TVs. The S80QY has a sleek and modern design, with a black metal grille covering the front and top of the bar. The subwoofer is rather large and it has a matte black finish. The soundbar comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the volume, bass, treble, center level, rear level, and overhead level. You can also access the settings menu, change the input source, select a sound mode, or activate the voice assistant. The S80QY delivers a very good sound quality for mixed usage. It has a neutral and balanced sound profile out of the box, with a dedicated subwoofer that adds boom and rumble to the bass. The up-firing center speaker makes voices and dialogue sound clear and natural, and it also creates a sense of height in the soundstage. The soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, which add more depth and dimension to the sound with overhead effects. However, the S80QY does not have any surround speakers, so it has to downmix surround content into stereo. This means that the soundstage is not very wide or enveloping, and the surround effects are not very accurate or directional. You can buy optional rear speakers from LG to improve the surround performance, but they are sold separately. The S80QY has a solid set of features for its price range. It has an HDMI eARC port that allows you to connect it to your TV and pass through high-quality audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS. It also has an HDMI input that supports 4K and Dolby Vision pass-through, as well as VRR and ALLM for gaming. The soundbar has an optical input for older TVs, but it does not support Dolby Atmos or DTS over this connection. The S80QY has Chromecast built-in and AirPlay 2 support, which let you cast audio from your phone or tablet to the soundbar. It also has Bluetooth for wireless streaming and also supports Spotify and Tidal Connect. The soundbar has a voice assistant feature that lets you use Google Assistant or Alexa to control the soundbar or other smart devices with your voice. However, you need to use an external device like your phone or a smart speaker to access this feature, as the soundbar does not have a built-in microphone. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. The S80QY has an AI room calibration feature that optimizes the sound based on your room's acoustics. This feature uses the microphone on your phone to measure the sound in your room and adjust the EQ accordingly. You need to download the LG Soundbar app on your phone to use this feature, as well as to access other settings like firmware updates, night mode, auto volume, and user EQ. The app is easy to use and intuitive, but it does not have all the functions of the remote control. The S80QY also works with Biocast Technology and TV sound mode share with compatible LG TVs. WOWCAST allows you to stream audio from your TV to other devices like headphones or speakers using Wi-Fi Direct. TV sound mode share lets you use the sound modes of your LG TV instead of the soundbar's modes. The sound quality of the LG S80QY is excellent. It produces a wide soundstage with clear dialogue and precise imaging. The bass is deep and powerful without being overpowering. The soundbar also does a good job of handling different types of content, from movies to music to TV shows. The LG S80QY is a great choice for anyone looking for a mid-range soundbar that delivers clear dialogue and immersive audio with Dolby Atmos and DTS support. It has a unique up-firing center speaker that enhances the voice clarity and height effects, as well as a wireless subwoofer that adds bass impact. It has a variety of connectivity options, including HDMI eARC, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, and Bluetooth. It also has a room calibration feature that adjusts the sound according to your room's acoustics, and it works with Biocast Technology and TV sound mode share with compatible LG TVs. However, it does not have any surround speakers, so it lacks a wide and enveloping soundstage for surround content. You can buy optional rear speakers from LG to improve this aspect, but they are sold separately. Overall, the LG S80QY is a very good soundbar that offers a lot of value for its price. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.